Cooking with Gloria. I'm Gloria, and today I want to share with you a very delicious potato salad. It's a Texas potato salad that I know that you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Coriander, oregano, cumin, salt, Himalaya salt, black pepper, 2 Serrano chiles, olive oil, rice vinegar, purple onion, bacon. This is the type of rice vinegar that I use. You could use the one you have at home. Olive oil, and of course, our Russell potatoes. I am ready to start making this delicious Texas style potato salad. So let's get started. I want to start with my bacon. I'm gonna only use 8 slices of bacon, and I'm gonna cut them in 1/2 inch pieces. This is already done. Let's go and take it to the stove. The pieces are very small. My pan is nice and hot, and I'm gonna go ahead and add the bacon. We're just gonna leave it here until it's really nice and crispy. Let's continue with my onion. I wanna go ahead and cut the onion in very small pieces, about 1/2 inch, so that everything incorporates perfectly. Look the size that I cut. This is just great. My friends, I want to show you that the bacon is nice and crispy now. I'm going to remove it so I can remove the excessive oil that is in there and start cooking our onion. Okay, let me remove all this bacon. I have a plate with a little napkin to absorb the extra oils. And look, this is done. Now I have removed the oil and I'm adding my onion. We want to cook the onion just for a couple minutes so it gets nice and crispy. My friends, we want to just cook the onion for about 2 minutes. That's everything that the onion needs. The onion is going to pick up all those flavors that the bacon left behind on the pan. So let's remove it. This is done. Now I am ready to remove the onion. Look how beautiful this looks. This is done. Here I have my potatoes. I'm gonna go ahead, take them to the sink, and I'm going to rinse them out completely, one by one, making sure that we get all that little dirt from every single one. They are completely done. Let me throw the extra water away. And now I'm gonna start by cutting and peeling my potatoes. This is the way I like to do it here at home. I'm gonna go ahead and just peel them completely, making sure that I take the little black spots that they have. We want our potatoes to be really nice and clean. No little spots at all. When this is done, make sure that you have your pan with water so that your potato doesn't start turning brown. We want to make sure that we cut our potato in bite pieces. We don't want it too big. Let's make sure that everything is almost the same size, the potatoes, so that everything cooks at the same time. after you cut your potatoes, start adding it to the pan with water so they do not start getting brown. Okay, I'm going to continue peeling the rest of my potatoes. Now here I am just adding some salt to them, and I'm gonna let them cook for about 10-15 minutes. While my potato is cooking, I'm gonna start cutting my Serrano chilies. I only have 2. If you don't want it spicy, make sure that you take the seeds off completely. And of course, take the little vein from the Serrano chili off so it's not spicy at all. So now I'm just gonna dice it very small. We wanna make sure that it's really nice and diced. The pieces need to be really small. I'm adding it to this bowl, and now here what I'm going to do, start adding my olive oil. I'm going to start adding my rice vinegar and my spices. We want to make sure that we incorporate everything here because we want all those flavors to start making this delicious flavor here. I have my oregano that I'm just rubbing in between my hands so it's nice and powdery, and the oregano gives it such a delicious flavor. I know that once you try this potato salad, you are going to start making it more often, especially in the summer. Now I am adding my onion. I'm just gonna mix it, incorporate it with all those delicious flavors. And I'm going to add my bacon. My bacon is really nice and crispy. We wanna go ahead, add it in there, mix it around. I was almost forgetting my cilantro. I washed it. It's nice and washed and rinsed. And now I'm going to cut it in very small little pieces. We want to make sure that everything is really tiny so that we could add it to the bacon, to everything that we have in this big bowl. Look at this. This looks just amazing. The colors look perfect. Now my potatoes, let's check the potatoes. Let's see if they're done. I have a fork here. If you press on it and they break in the middle, then that means they're done. The potatoes are done. Now what I'm going to do is taste it to see if I need to add just a little bit of salt. To my tasting, this is great. Now is the time to start adding the potato. We're going to go ahead, add everything in here, and then we're going to incorporate all those delicious flavors. Look at this. This looks delicious. This is done. My friends, I am done with this Texas potato salad. I am ready to taste it. It looks delicious. The colors are amazing. And you know this is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward tasting my recipes. Let's see how this potato came out, because it's still a little bit, it's not too soft. It's just a little crunchy, and excuse me, I don't want to continue talking. I want to taste this delicious potato salad. Excuse me. The flavors are so intense. The Serrano chili just gave it just a little kick. This is just amazing, my friends. Excuse me. This salad came out amazing. Of course, that you could combine it with carne asada, with a grilled chicken. This is just perfection. I hope, my friends, you could prepare this at home, enjoy with your family, and of course, with my delicious Texas potato salad. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up, share my video on social media. Why not? Share my video on social media so more people get to know Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the notification bell so every time I make a new recipe, yes, you are notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this delicious potato salad. Bye-bye.